Hello, welcome back guys to Spotarya channel here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to use Smart Erase in camscanner on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly of course just open your camscanner applications over here, and after, if you want to use the Smart Erase option, you just have to simply tap on this camera icon at the bottom. And after, you just have to select the option at the bottom here. Just go ahead to the Smart Erase like this. Now tap on this media icon at the bottom, and after, choose the photo that you want to erase for the object. I'm gonna tap on this import options at the top right. After, you just have to erase the object that you want to erase it. For example, I'm gonna erase this object here guys. You just have to tap on it like this, and after, tap on this checklist button. Now you just have to wait for a second for the result, and as you can see, for an object that we have erased it before, is already gone here guys. So yeah, I think it's enough from me guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.